The internet is not just weird anymore, it's being flooded. Every time you scroll, you see them. Strange images, faces that melt, articles that say nothing, videos of people who don't exist, hands with 6 fingers, recipes that would poison you, thumbnails that scream but mean nothing. And it isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. There's a name for this wave. A lot of people call it AI slop. And today we're hunting it. Where it came from, why it spreads, and why you can't seem to stop clicking it. So what is AI slop exactly? Think of the word slop, like the cheap, mushy food you'd dump in a trough. Low quality, made fast, made in bulk, not really made for you. AI slop is the digital version. It's content created by AI tools with almost no human care behind it. Images, videos, text, voices, pumped out by the thousands. But here's an important point. It's not every AI image. A careful artist using AI as a tool is not making slop. The difference is effort and intent. Slop is mass-produced, low effort, made mostly to grab attention or money, not to actually help you or say anything real. Many people describe it the same way. It looks like content. It sounds like content. But when you really look, there's nothing inside. So here's the origin. For years, making content took time. Writing an article, filming a video, drawing a picture, and that time was a natural filter. It quietly slowed everything down. If something took effort, people made less of it. Simple. Then powerful AI tools arrived, and suddenly anyone could generate a picture in seconds, write 1,000 words in one click, clone a voice, make a still face talk. The filter broke. What used to take a whole day now takes a minute. And when something becomes that cheap and that fast, people don't make just one, they make 10,000. That's the moment the flood began. But why so much? Why is it absolutely everywhere? One word, incentives. Most of the internet runs on attention, clicks, views, watch time. And attention quietly turns into money, through ads, through traffic, through sales. So imagine you could make 100 posts a day for almost no cost. Even if each one earns a tiny bit, the math still works. Quantity beats quality. This creates a strange new job, not making good content, but making endless content. Flooding every feed, filling every gap, throwing thousands of things at the wall, hoping something sticks. Critics argue this slowly turns the internet into a numbers game, where the goal isn't to be good, it's just to be everywhere. Now here's the twist. If it's so low quality, why do we keep clicking? Because slop is engineered for your brain. It uses bright colors, shocking thumbnails, weird, impossible images you've literally never seen before. Your eyes can't ignore it. And some of it is strangely satisfying. A perfect loop, a cute animal that isn't real, a fact that sounds amazing but is completely made up. Here's the uncomfortable part. The systems that recommend content don't always care if something is true or good. They mostly care about one thing. Did you stop scrolling? If slop makes you stop, the machine shows you more. So we click, we share, we argue in the comments, and every single reaction quietly feeds the flood. Okay, let's talk about the platforms. Why don't they just stop it? The honest answer? It's hard, really hard. Detecting AI content is a constant cat-and-mouse game. As soon as detectors get better, the generators get better too. And the sheer amount is overwhelming. Millions of new posts every single hour. But there's also a quieter problem, a kind of conflict of interest. See, slop creates engagement. Engagement keeps people on the app, and time on the app is exactly how many platforms make their money. So the concern is simple. If bad content keeps people watching anyway, is there really a strong reason to remove it? Some platforms are adding AI labels and new rules. That's a real effort. But for now, the flood is moving faster than the cleanup. Now the part that actually hurts real creators. Imagine you spend a whole week on one video, writing it, editing it, caring about every little detail. Then a slop channel spits out 50 videos in that same week. Using stolen ideas and AI shortcuts, they flood the topic. They bury your work. They grab the spotlight you earned. This is the creator's nightmare. Honest effort, competing against an endless machine. And it gets worse. When Slop copies real creators, viewers get confused. Trust starts to drop. People begin to wonder, wait, is anything here even real? And that question right there is the real damage. So is AI slop actually dangerous, or is it just annoying? Honestly, it's both. A lot of it is harmless. Silly images, empty articles, weird little videos you forget 2 seconds later, background noise. But some of it is not so harmless. Fake news that looks completely real, fake products, fake reviews, fake people pretending to give you advice, AI voices saying things that real people never actually said. And the bigger danger is slower and quieter. It's pollution. When the internet fills up with fake, low-quality content, it gets harder and harder to find the real useful stuff buried underneath. Some people worry about one more thing. If AI keeps learning from the internet, and the internet keeps filling with AI slop, then future AI might end up learning from slop. Garbage teaching garbage. Nobody knows exactly how that plays out. But it's a real concern. So where does all this leave us? A few futures are possible. In one, the slop just keeps rising, and the open internet starts to feel like a flooded street. Messy, fake, hard to trust. In another, we fight back. Better labels, smarter filters. Communities that reward real human effort. A brand new value placed on 3 little words made by a human. And maybe the most likely future is a split. A noisy ocean of AI slop on one side and smaller trusted spaces on the other. Places where real people and real work still matter. But here's the thing to remember. AI itself is not the villain. Used with care, it's a genuinely incredible tool. The problem was never the technology. It's using it lazily at massive scale just to flood feeds and farm attention. So next time your feed feels strange, now you'll know exactly what you're looking at. You'll spot the melting faces, the empty words, the thumbnails that scream nothing. You'll recognize the slop. And maybe that's the first real step, because the internet still has real people, real ideas, real stories worth finding. You just have to hunt for them. And that's exactly what we do here. We hunt the trends, the origins, and the strange stories hiding behind them. So if you want more hunts like this one, hit subscribe and join the chase. New trend every time.